What's the meaning of aurochs? Aurochs. Aurochs.
Aurochs. Aurochs. An aurochs is an extinct species of wild cattle that once roamed Europe, Asia, and North Africa. They were large, muscular animals measuring up to 6 feet tall and weighing up to 2,200 pounds. Aurochs were hunted to extinction by the early 1600s, but their domesticated descendants live on today as modern cattle breeds. In some European cultures, aurochs hold symbolic cultural significance as a powerful and majestic animal. Today, scientists study fossils and historical records to learn more about this impressive creature and its place in ancient ecosystems.